Let's begin with installing Node.js on Windows operating system. This is a step-by-step installation guide. The installation is fast and simple. After the installation, we will verify that it is properly installed and working. What exactly is Node.js? Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. In simpler terms, it lets you run JavaScript code outside of a web browser. This means you can use JavaScript on the server side to build scalable and efficient applications. Node.js is known for its speed and efficiency. It is also cross-platform, meaning it runs on Windows, macOS, and Linux. With Node.js, you also get access to the npm package manager, which has thousands of free, open-source libraries that you can use in your projects. Overall, Node.js is very useful for building web applications. Before we install Node.js, let's look at some of the prerequisites and system requirements. First, you will need Windows 10 or later. You will also need administrator privileges on your computer to install software. Make sure you have at least 50 megabytes of free disk space and a stable internet connection to download the installation files. When downloading Node.js, you will typically see two version types: LTS, which stands for long-term support, and current. The LTS version is the stable and recommended choice for most users because it receives extended support and is more reliable for production environments. The current version has the latest features, but it may also have more bugs and is updated more frequently. Now let's download Node.js. To ensure security and get the latest official version, always download Node.js from the official website, which is nodejs.org. Open your web browser and go to nodejs.org. Once there, select the LTS version for Windows. This is the recommended version for most users due to its stability and long-term support. Now that you have downloaded the installer, let's run it. Locate the downloaded MSI file and double-click it to start the installation wizard. You will likely need to allow the installer to make changes to your system, so be sure to grant it administrator permissions. Follow the prompts, read and accept the license agreement, and choose the installation location. The default settings are recommended for most users. These include the Node.js runtime, npm package manager, and necessary path configurations. Advanced users can choose the custom installation option to modify components and the installation path. Click Install to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, you need to open the command prompt to verify that Node.js and npm are properly installed. There are several ways to open the command prompt. One way is to type cmd in the Windows search bar located in the Start menu. Another method is to use the Run dialog. Press the Windows key and R at the same time. This opens the Run dialog. Then type cmd and press Enter. You can also use PowerShell, which can be accessed by right-clicking the Start menu button. Here are a few keyboard shortcuts that can make this process faster. Pressing the Windows key and R opens the Run dialog, where you can type cmd. Pressing the Windows key and X opens the Quick Access menu with PowerShell. Lastly, pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Enter while opening Command Prompt or PowerShell will run it as an administrator. Now that you have the command prompt open, let's verify the installation. To check the Node.js version, type Node _version and press Enter. To check the npm version, type npm _version and press Enter. Both commands should return version numbers. The Node.js output should look something like v20.x.x and the npm output should be 10.x.x. If you see these version numbers, congratulations. The installation was successful. To make sure everything is working correctly, let's create and run a simple Node.js program. Open a text editor such as Notepad and type the following code: console.log, open parenthesis, double quote, hello, space Node.js, exclamation mark, double quote, close parenthesis, semicolon. On the next line, type console.log, open parenthesis, double quote, installation successful, exclamation mark, double quote, close parenthesis, semicolon. Save the file as hello.js. Open your command prompt and navigate to the directory where you saved the file. Then, type node space hello.js and press enter. If everything is set up correctly, you should see hello, space node.js, exclamation mark, and installation successful, exclamation mark, printed on the console. Now that you have successfully installed Node.js, you can start learning the fundamentals, exploring NPM packages, building web applications, and deploying your projects. Congratulations on completing the Node.js installation. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.